Good morning, children. This is Jyoti R. I am here to teach you English on behalf of Jyoti Academy, class 4th. And yesterday we have learned about countable and countable noun, and we did exercise. And today we also solve one exercise. Okay, children. This exercise belongs to the uncountable quantifiers: much, little, some, and lots of. Quantify means that words that show some quantity of something. Okay, and uncountable means those things that we cannot count. Much means in Hindi अधिक, and little means in Hindi थोड़ा सा. Some means in Hindi कुछ, and lots of in Hindi अनेक. Okay, so let's start the exercise. Fill in the blanks. 1. I will sweeten my tea with blank honey. Children, I will sweeten my tea. Tea is a uncountable noun. I told you yesterday. With blank honey. Which quantifier is suitable here? We will fill there some. Some means कुछ. I will sweeten my tea with some honey. Okay. Second is putting in blank spices will not make the dish tastier. Putting in blank spices. Children, if we use lots of spices in the dish, it will be not so much tasty. So putting in, we will fill there lots of. If we use lots of spices in any dish, it will be not tasty. Okay, so putting in lots of spices will not make the dish tastier. Next is the child ate too blank sugar and felt sick afterward. Children, child ate too blank. What we will fill there? We will fill there much. Much means in Hindi अधिक. The child ate too much sugar and felt sick afterward. Children, if any child ate too much sugar, what will he or she feel? He or she feel sick. Okay. Next is sunshine, air, and blank water is what our plants need. Children, we all know plants need some water and air and sunshine. So what we will fill there? Some water, not so much water, some water. So the suitable quantifier is some. Sunshine, air, and some water is what a plant needs. Okay. Next is eating too blank butter can be bad for health. Children, if we eat too much butter, it will be not good for our health. Okay, so what quantifier is suitable there? Much. So we will fill there much. Eating too much butter can be bad for health. Okay, next is he felt that a blank salt was needed to make the dish perfect. Children, what amount of salt we need in our dish? Little, a little bit of salt. Okay, little means in Hindi thoda sa. So we will fill there little. Little. E. He felt that a little salt was needed to make the dish perfect. Okay. Next is all she wanted was a blank love and understanding. All she wanted was a. Children, what she wanted? What will be the suitable quantifier? We will fill there little. Little. All she wanted was a little love and understanding. Children, this is the suitable quantifier for this sentence. Okay. I got blank advice, but none of it was useful. I got. What will be the suitable quantifier? We can use there some or lots of. We can use there both quantifiers, some or lots of. We can also fill there lots of advices, and we can also fill there some advices. I got some advice, but none of it was useful. Okay, children? This is all about the uncountable quantifier. And next exercise we will solve tomorrow. Thank you.